How to repost a Facebook story. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can repost Facebook story in your Facebook account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Facebook app and get logged into your Facebook account. In order to share the story, go ahead and tap on stories of your friends. Then you will see three-dot icon on top of your story. Tap onto it. It will show you share this story option. Go ahead and tap on the first option, then tap on share now. In case you would like to edit the story before you share it, tap on edit and share to your story. From here you can add whatever text you want. You can also play the music in that story. Once you are done editing, go ahead and tap on to share icon. And just like so, this is how you can repost a Facebook story from your Facebook account. That will be the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. In the meantime, stay updated.